what is return on capital employed and what does it tell us? So if we have to understand what is return on capital employed and what does it tell us, we will need to understand as to what is capital employed. So return on capital employed will mean return divided by capital employed. So what is capital employed? So my question to all of you is, what is capital employed? How do you define capital employed? Sandhya.
It's the like in the question, it's given the equity and the investment which is done, like added together, the total of it.
Is that capital employed? Okay.
So it's equity and long-term debt.
Equity and long-term debt. Okay, very good. Equity and long-term debt. Siddesh?
I tend to agree with Jayaprakash.
Okay, very good.
Equity and long-term debt.
Equity and long-term debt. Very good. And what is investment? What is investment? Because if we have to calculate a return on capital employed correctly, if we have to calculate a return on investment correctly, we obviously need to understand as to what is capital employed. And I'm so glad that all that you have said is absolutely right. Capital employed simply means all the long-term sources put together. That is debt plus equity. Debt plus equity. Now the question is, what is investment? What is investment? All of you. How do you define investment? Vishwanathan?
Investment in property, plant and equipment, and investment in working capital.
Okay. Okay. Rajat? What is investment? Say again. Just the equity. Okay. Siddesh, what is investment?
The non-current assets of the company.
Non-current assets of the company. That is what is investment. All right. Jayaprakash?
It's only investment in equity.
Only investment in equity. Okay. Sandhya?
Or maybe.
I believe any investment which is done with the intention to earn little more revenue, little more return.
So-
like it can be equity, it can be debt.
Okay. Okay. Okay, Damodarji, are you there? All right, friends, let's understand very clearly what is capital employed. And I'm sure after today's discussion, even if somebody wakes you up from the sleep, you will be able to give a correct answer as to what is capital employed and what is investment. So what is capital employed? Money that you bring into the business is capital employed. Money that you bring into the business is capital employed. And where do you bring the money from into the business? You bring money into the business from two sources. Number one is equity and number two is the debt. So total of the debt and equity put together is your capital employed. Is your capital employed. Capital employed. So money that you're putting into the business is capital employed. Now, if you have to calculate return on capital employed, what will you take in the numerator? What will you take, all of you? For calculating return on capital employed, what will you put in the numerator? Everyone.
Always return.
Huh?
Return always.
Return, but which return? Which return? Huh? Which return?
It should be EBIT, sir. EBIT.
It should be EBIT?
Yes.
Or it should be EBITDA?
Yes.
Or it should be gross profit? Or it should be EBT? What it should be?
EBT, sir.
Please understand, you are calculating return on capital employed. Meaning what?
EBIT.
Meaning what? Meaning what return have you earned or given to the people who have given you capital, and that is what is return on capital employed. यानी कि जिन लोगों ने आपके बिजनेस में कैपिटल दिया है उन लोगों को आपने क्या रिटर्न दिया है. So what is the return that you are giving to the people who are giving you capital? Number one, please understand who is giving you capital. Shareholders are giving you capital. Number two, lenders are giving you capital. So what are you giving to the shareholders? What have you earned for the shareholders? For the shareholders, you have earned earning after tax. So in the numerator, first you will write earning after tax. And please understand, your capital employed also includes debt. And what have you given to the people who have given you debt? You have given them interest on that. So what you will write in the numerator, and please pay attention, when you want to calculate return on capital employed, you will take in the numerator profit after tax plus interest on long-term debt divided by capital employed into 100, and that is going to be your return on capital employed. I am sure, friends, for whole of your life, even if you want to make a mistake in calculating ROCE, henceforth, you will not be able to make a mistake and you will calculate it correctly. And how will you calculate it correctly? By taking in the numerator profit after tax plus interest on the long-term debt. And that is your return on capital employed.